everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to be seeing super nutritious quinoa spinach khichdi. It's very healthy and as well as delicious. It's also quick to do. So come, let's check out the recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 2 small tomatoes, 1 onion, some chopped garlic, 1 green chili and some coriander for garnishing. So the main ingredients would be 1 cup of quinoa, half cup of masoor dal and some spinach which I have just chopped roughly. The first step is gonna be, we are gonna cook the quinoa and the masoor dal together in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Along with this, I'm also adding roughly chopped tomatoes and 1 green chili. Let's give it a nice mix. I have about 3 cups of water here. We'll add that now. So to this, I'm also adding about half a spoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix. You want both this quinoa and masoor dal to be in a mushy consistency so that when you eat, it's like a warm hug in a bowl. Mix it well and give it for about 3 to 4 whistles in a pressure cooker. If you're doing it in an instant pot, put everything together and you just have to keep it for 2 minutes in pressure cooker mode. While the quinoa and the dal is cooking, we will do the tempering. So now let's see how to do that. For this, I'm taking about 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm also adding about 1 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds. Once the cumin seed starts to splutter, we'll add the garlic. To this, I'm also going to add the onions. While the onions are cooking, I'm also going to add some salt to it. So it's nice and translucent now. At this stage, we will add the spice powders. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and quarter teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. Mix everything together. You don't want to burn the spice powder, so we will add the spinach as soon as we just mix it. Give it a nice mix. As you can see, the spinach is shrinking, so it's nice and cooked well. After 3 to 4 whistles, the quinoa and dal should be ready now. So as you can see, it's nice and mushy. At this stage, we will be adding the spinach and onion tempering to the quinoa and dal. Let's mix it well and now we'll add some more water to adjust the consistency. So now as you can see, it's nice and thick like a khichdi. I've turned off the gas and now at this stage we will add a squeeze of lemon. Garnish it with some coriander and a half a teaspoon of ghee. Healthy and tasty quinoa spinach khichdi is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can just have this as it is. It would taste amazing. If you really like our video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It would mean the world to us. Thank you so much.